Hi my friends, today we model this part. You can see all the features now, and this is the drawing. We start by creating this small volume. Dimensions are also here, and then we continue with other features. Let's start. New, standard millimeter SciPT, new sketch, XY plane, and we create that entities. This is the first line, down, then keep press the left button, go here, keep press the left button and go here. This bottom end is aligned with a center point. The full dimension is 14 on the vertical. Everything is scaled. This is 9. This is radius 2. No, radius 0.5. 0.5. This is radius 6. And other dimensions. If I draw a vertical line as a center line, with the same dimension like the position of this horizontal. This is 34. This is 40. We cannot apply that dimension of 40. We have to eliminate this constraint to have a free entity. Delete this, and now I can place that dimension of 40. This is 26. Now we can apply offset of this contour on 2 millimeters. Then we connect these 2 points. We also draw a vertical and a horizontal line, and having this we can apply another dimension of 32. Dimensions in the drawing. Good. Finish sketch. Revolve. Everything is already placed in position. We continue with this cylinder, this, yes, with dimensions 60 from this 14 and dimension of 18, radius of 10, and this hole of 11. We use again XY plane for a new sketch, F7, and we project this line and this line. Then a vertical line starting from here going up on 60, then to the right, down. Okay, another line starts right here and goes to this point, but we don't have a perpendicular. By fortune, this is ready to be perpendicular here. No, we keep press the left button, we go up to have a tangent, and right here not perpendicular on this. Dimensions, this is 18, this is radius 10, and this is dimensioned by when we try to draw a center line. This is the center line. We apply coincident this line with this end to have no dimensions missing. This is 11. Now we have fully constrained sketch. Once again, revolve, of this area. Oh, I didn't place here a line. Line between these 2 points. Revolve. Okay. We continue with cutting these faces by using 10 millimeters here, and the dimension of 60 is already known. We use the plane YZ, new sketch, F7, we project only this line and we draw 2 rectangles. 1, 2. We want to have collinear these bottom ends. Okay, this dimension is 60. This dimension is 10, but instead of applying symmetry, we apply equal to these 2 bottom lines. Now we have a fully constrained sketch. Extrude, 1, 2, symmetrical, cut, all the way. Okay. Next are these slot features. We have dimensions 49. This is the bottom for them, 60, and 12 is this dimension. XY plane, new sketch, slot, dimensions 40 and radius 9. We project this line to place collinear this line with this line, then on the same vertical this midpoint with the center point. Finish sketch, extrude, symmetrical on 12. Okay. Fillets are placed on both sides, radius 5. So we select this edge for a fillet, 5 and also 5. Okay. Another feature is this cylinder, 106 on 40 on vertical and 16 outside, 11 inside. We create a new plane based on XZ up at 106. New sketch. You see the center point. Draw a circle, diameter, not radius, of 16. Finish sketch, extrude down on 40. Okay. Then hole, this face, this center, diameter of 11. Okay. Other holes are here, dimensions of 8 millimeters. Hole, this face, this center, 8 through the part, plus this face, this center. Okay. Another cut is this one, 6 on 25 placed at 10 through the part. YZ plane, new sketch, F7, and we draw a rectangle right here. Dimensions 25, tab 6. The Z is vertical, so that we use this alignment, and we place here a dimension of 10. Okay. Extrude, symmetrical, cut all the way. Okay. The last cut is this radius 17 with the same width of 6. XY plane, new sketch, F7, project this arc, center, and a circle with a radius of 17. Finish sketch, extrude, symmetrical, cut on 6, not 10. Okay, we have to apply mirror to find the same feature. Mirror, last feature, plane, YZ. Okay, now we have also here that cut. Let's see what is the volume of this part. Properties, physical, update, copy, close, drawing, double click, and the new value is almost the same. We keep the last volume because this is what we did here today. The material is stainless steel and the view is default lights. You see no difference. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.